Hi, today we are going to present about our project's product and its demonstration. It is called Doodleboard, a technology whiteboard that combines different types of interface and AI insight.
So for this project, we have a lot of tasks to choose from for a whiteboard because I have a lot of functions. But from all that functions, we have choose three tasks to design for our interface, our new interface, and the task is creating a table, creating a template, and the third one is import export. I will let my members to explain what each does.
So, okay, for the first task is our design interface for the doodleboard. It can create a table which is featured in design interface. So, what is the benefit of our non-technical user can get is it will improve the usability as it will be more user-friendly for the non-technical user to design and modify the table as what the size is, such as 3x3 or 4x4 and etc. Other than that, we also have a predefined template of table, which is if others people collaborate with our project, it will be a consistent size table and also represent the professionalism in documentation. I think that's it for creating a table task.
Next, for the task 2, the function is creating a template. So, if we create some function in template, it will display some templates of what we need. So, the benefit of creating a template is time efficiency. It provides pre-built structure, layout, or design that eliminate the need to start from scratch. Uh, Designers can quickly modify templates to meet specific requirements, reducing project timelines. The second benefit is consistency. Templates ensure uniformity in design elements such as font, colors, and layouts. This is especially useful for maintaining brand identity across different projects or platforms. I think that's all for the task 2.
All right. Next is importing and exporting files. So basically, the system is very easy to use and it's user friendly and it's very productive. So you can also create a whiteboard, can edit and rename and save files in it, and can also import files from the main menu in different styles. Also, after finishing the editing of the whiteboard, you can also share the files in a live meeting during the classes. It's very interesting, the system. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, you three, for the explanation for each task. Now we will proceed to the storyboard explanation and the prototype.
Hi, this is Abdurrahman, and today I'm gonna share a story of Mr. Kamaruddin, who is basically a faculty staff who organizes events and conferences, also engages community. So here the story is actually Mr. Kamaruddin was planning for his administrative team for future planning. So basically he was planning to make a meeting effective and enhance the communication. Also, he wants upcoming meeting well fascinated using appropriate tools like tables and stuff to enhance collaboration and productivity. So after doing some, he found out a system called Doodleboard. So so basically, Mr. Kamuruddin was really fascinated by using the system. He especially started using the tables and started modifying the tables, rows, and columns to organize the meeting more effectively. He then finally uses the Doodle board to establish an online meeting where he shares his presentation he made with his future administrative team for future plannings. And after using the doodle board, Mr. Kamaruddin was expressed a great satisfaction that how the system makes everything easier. So Mr. Kamaruddin was really happy using the system doodle board. So thank you.
Alex is a very hardworking and studious student. He always likes to crave for more knowledge and wants to always learn more, either inside or outside the curriculum. However, Alex is a visual learner. He doesn't learn well in text form and always relies on diagrams to learn well. This becomes a problem because whiteboard is limited to only using text most of the time. The use of only text and words makes it very hard for Alex to learn, and he is very confused most of the time in the class. This has caused Alex to be stressed in the class. One day, Alex school have decided to upgrade the regular whiteboard into using Doodleboard. The Doodleboard enables teachers to use templates and diagrams in the whiteboard to conduct the class in a more visually pleasing manner. The visually pleasing and interactivity of the Doodleboard has left Alex very excited. Due to the interactivity of the Doodleboard, Alex and his friends can discuss and brainstorm together on what is on the Doodleboard. As a result, Alex and his friends get good grades and becomes more closer.
Lecturers in this modern era are still busy dealing with academic problems, meeting and researching teaching material. This kind of problem can be annoying and cost a lot of time. But now, let me introduce you to the board. During the class, lecturer can firstly choose the create whiteboard options, then choose the import file options to import said teaching material. Finally, the lecturer can click the share file options to share the current whiteboard to the students, so that the student can share the same view and edit the whiteboard with lecturer permissions.
Okay, now would like to demonstrate for prototyping of our group project, which is the board for our persona 1. For him to do task 1, which is creating table that can be used by our persona, which is Alex, who is a 70 years old student who likes to use his tablet and also a visual learner style student. So for the first step here, it shows the main interface or the main page that will be directed after Alex have clicked on the creating table button from the main menu. So here it shows the 3-line menu, the file settings, and also the bottom panel box. So which one Alex should click on in order to creating a table? So Alex should be focused on the right side of this bottom panel box and click on the plus sign symbol. Here it will shows the it will shows of it will be a pop-up of another 3 menu. So when Alex hovering over this panel menu, it shows the description of these 3 icons. So image, table, and also template. So Alex can click on the table menu, then it will show a sample of the table of the selected size. So I will demonstrate for creating a table of size 3 times 3. So Alex can click on the highlighted size here, 3 times 3, and then our doodleboard will automatically generate a 3 times 3 table of size. So from what of our group project doodleboard can give benefit to Alex, who is a student who appreciate the technology and also oftenly required to do exercise during his class. It can ease him, and also Alex does not have to be struggle or stressed anymore with the use of our Doodlebird interface.
Hi, now I'm going to explain our task 2, which is choosing template function. As in this situation, Alex want to do brainstorm and discussion with his friend using Doodlebot. So as we can see, this is the interface after we creating a Doodlebot. After we creating a whiteboard, first of all, he need to choose the more button in the bottom navigation bar After clicking, it will appear three main functions, which is image, table, and template. So he need to click on the template function, and then it will appear many template, and he can choose which one he want to use. As in this situation, he can choose the brainstorm template. After clicking the brainstorm template, it, the template will appear in his whiteboard. So he and his friend can edit the template to during the discussion. Maybe he want to cancel the template that he choose and want to choose another template. He can click on the undo button, and then it will clear the template he chose before and do the step as same like before template, and he can choose another template, for example organization chart. So the template will appear in the whiteboard. I think that's all from me.
Hi, now I'm going to explain about our task tree for our Doodle board, which is using the main menu. As in the situation, Miss Kelly is conducting a class here, and she opened the Doodle board. She will click on the Get Start here, and it will navigate her to the main menu page. In the main menu page, it will display about the 6 function here, which is the creating the whiteboard, finding the template, import, export the file, creating the table, the list of the file, and the trash here. And Miss Kelly will creating the whiteboard first. And here is the new whiteboard that she created. And she can drawing or writing or even typing on this new whiteboard or adjusting the color of the pens here. Now she want to import the file for students. She'll just click on the more options here, and it will display a list that where she can rename the file, import, exporting the file, sharing the file, and delete the file. If she want to import the file, she will click on the import file here. It will navigate her to the document here, where she can choose whatever she want to import. And if she want to cancel to import the file, she can just click on the close here, and we will go back to the new whiteboard. And she can continue her class. And after the class, she want to share the document for her students. So she click again to the more options here. It will display again the list, and she just click on the share, where it will display about the share documents here, which will show the collaborators, who is the owners, and the link. If she want to share by using the link, she just using the button of the copy link. If she want to cancel to sharing the document, she can just click on the cancel, and it will go back again to the whiteboard here. And that's all for me. Thank you.